I learned English alone at home in 13 days. How my phone helped me to learn English alone at home without giving any penny. So, Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video, I am going to share with you my secret. How did I learn this language? I mean to say English speaking skill. How did I learn and which kind of tips, tricks, methods I used, all the methods which helped me a lot for learning this language. So in today's video I'm going to share with you everything. Okay, and so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you my secret. How did I learn this language and which kind of tips, tricks, methods I used, and which kind of free apps I used. Because I was not going any classes for learning this language. I learned English alone at home by using my Android phone. So how did my Android phone help me? So in today's video I'm going to share with you everything. Okay, so first things what I did, which thing inspire me for learning this language. So what happened, one day when I was scrolling a video, so I found a video suddenly, and in that video, what I saw a woman in who belongs in a rural family, and she is speaking English so fluently. Even he even she was not going any institute, and still she learned this language. So when I saw, if this lady learned this language alone at home by using her Android phone, so why can't I? Okay, so this thing inspired me a lot, and that day I decided that yes, I am going to learn this language no matter what. If people laugh at my English, so I'm not going to worry about it. I learned English, I will learn English, and this thing I decided. So first thing what I did, I took a 100-day challenge. Okay, next 100 days I am going to speak in English no matter what. If people laugh at my English, I am not going to worry. If people mock of my English, I am not going to say something about that people. Okay, let them laugh. I am going to speak in English. I am going to practice in English each and every day without and taking any worry in my mind. So this is the first thing that I did. I took a 100-day challenge. After that, what I did, I started to learn, I started to listen so many content in English, so many content, like uh, um, all the content from content that I choose for learning this language related to English speaking tips, which kind of tips I have to use. So yes, I started to listen different kind of content each and every day, minimum 2 or 3 content every day. But I'm not listening. What I did, I listened the same content minimum 10 times. Yes, this is the thing that I did at that time. Because when you listen anything, so first, second, third time only meaning comes to you. Believe me. But if you listen the same content minimum 10 times, so yes, language will come to you. So yes, I want to learn this language, so that's why I listened same content minimum 10 times. Yes, this is the thing that I did. So what I did, first I took a 100-day challenge. Yes, I am going to speak in English each and every day. I'm not going to worrying about what people will say about my English. I'm not going to worry. This is the first thing. Second thing, what I did, I started listening so many content in English. This is the second thing that I did. Okay, but listening, not the first one time, second time, third time. I listen one content minimum 10 times till it becomes a part of my memory. Okay, next thing what I did, I started to reading books. Okay, which kind of books? Only the books, I mean to say, lower class English book, because in that class English book, their English is very understandable, is very easy. Also, um, in that book there are so many short story, so many poems, and I found that okay, this book is very helpful for me, um because I was a learner, so I wanted to improve my English. So I thought, why not um, why not act like a child, because this is a language, and yes, I want to take this language as a language. And I thought, how did I learn my native language? Because at that time I was child and I was not going any college or institute for learning English, our native language grammar. Still we learned. So how did it possible? So I thought it is possible because at that time we were child, so why not act like a child? So that's why I choose these types of book, like I mean to say lower class English book, and I started to reading all the books like a child. Okay, short story, poem, and yes, it helped me a lot. So this is the third thing that I did. So first, took a 100-day challenge, that I did. Second thing what I did, I listened so many content in English, but one content minimum 10 times, that I listen. Third thing, I read all the English books belongs to lower class English book. Okay, because their English is very easy and understandable. Next thing that I did, that is writing, that is thinking, that is visualization. I mean to say, I see so many picture, I saw so many pictures and flashcard, and I started to thinking what is happening in this picture, what's going on. So yes, these things help me a lot to start thinking English. Okay, and initially time it's very difficult for me, but I did it without any hesitation, without any escapeness. Okay, I did the whole of flashcard. I started to make a short story by watching some picture flashcard. Okay, and yes, it helped me a lot to think in English. Now, the next thing which I did, that is speaking in English. Now, it's very difficult because it is a time that when we have to give our output, and output is very difficult. I mean to say, there are so many people, they can understand every single words in English, they listen in English, they understand in English, they read in English very confidently, but when it comes to speak, so they hesitate because they are not giving output. So listening, reading, these are some input that we are using, we are consuming, but what we are not giving, we are not giving our output. And for output we have to write in English. Okay, we have to speak in English. So yes, this is a thing that I did. I speak out all the content that I have listened earlier. I speak out all the thing, all the passages that I have read earlier. And with the help of this thing, because I have listened so many content in English, so there is a memory, there is a file, English listening file in my head top. You know, we have a head top. So yes, there is a file, English listening file, English reading file. So what I did, I started to speak out. Not the same, because we are consuming lot of thing, but when it comes to giving our output, so there is output, so it in the here, and input. Yes, it is happening initially time, and I thought I have listened so many content in English, so many, I read so many, phrases or so many paragraph in English. But when it comes to speak, so I am not giving so too much that I have listened earlier. So don't worry, it is happening, because consuming, there is a consumption, and there is a output. And yes, if you give your output, even it's a short, then it's okay. Initially time, it's okay. So what I did, I started to make a video, and I started to practice in English, and without any hesitation, I started to download all the videos that depends on my English speaking practice. So I started to upload those video in this channel, like English with Desi Madam. And what happened, when I uploaded my first video, so that video, there was a zero like. And even after 1 month, what I did, I uploaded video without any break, and still after 1 month, there is only one like, one two like, minimum one two like. So what I did, I I you know I did not break my journey, English speaking journey. So this is the thing, like consistency, that I did. I maintained my consistency. I am not going to break my consistency. And yeah, yes, this thing, I took a challenge when I think that I took 100 days challenge. So I finished my 100 days without any expectation that okay, someone will come and they will help me. Never ever, never. But after 1 or 2 months, I realized, yes, there are some people, they are watching my video, they are going to like my effort, and yes, they are saying, okay, keep going on, keep it up. And this thing helped me to continue this journey, believe me. So yes, in this way I can easily learn this language. Still I am making so many mistakes in English, but I can say all the mistakes that we are making while learning this language, all the mistakes is only the step for learning English faster. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you. And also, I have used so many methods for by learning this language. And every video, I shared so many methods in front of you, so many apps in front of you. And if you haven't watched my that video, then please go and check out my videos. And all the video depends on my methods. So yes, this is exactly thing that I did. And yes, that's all I wanted to share with you about my English speaking journey. And I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.